Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then take immediate action. Make sure Tally supports barcodes and that you backed up the company file. This prevents data loss. Next, identify scanner mode. USB HID acts like a keyboard, serial requires COM settings, Bluetooth pairs like any device. Once done, install drivers only if the scanner needs them, and enable inventory and barcode features inside Tally, so the app can accept scanned input and mapped fields. Now you configure both the scanner and Tally to talk the same language. On the scanner, set prefix or suffix and enable a carriage return so Tally receives an enter after each scan. That triggers record acceptance. In Tally, map the barcode field to the stock item unique ID or item code so lookups resolve instantly. If using a serial connection, match baud rate, parity, and stop bits with the scanner's documentation. Otherwise, test USB HID operation to confirm keystrokes land in the correct input. Finish by validating the full workflow and preparing for issues. You should run staged tests. Scan a single item in a voucher, then multiple items to confirm quantities and pricing map correctly. Use Tally's import or an add-on to bulk update barcode fields if many items lack codes. If something fails, check for COM port conflicts, driver problems, or wrong baud settings, and watch scanner LEDs for error patterns. Resolving those typically restores scanning within minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.